Hi, it's Fias Taro. Hello, all signs. So this is your messages, energy check-ins, and prediction. Okay, so syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay, and syempre, yeah, if you're interested, pagdating po sa ating private reading, yan. Message lang po kayo sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po pagdating kay Perception of Light. And yes, kung interesado kayo sa atin pong all-in-one Evil Eye bracelet, sa ating Evil Eye ring and necklace, just message me. Okay, so yeah, let's start with the reading. Okay, air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. So, ano ang messages for you? Tingnan natin. Okay. The Page of Cups in reversed. The Three of Wands. Someone is waiting ng forgiveness. Okay. Merong nagtatago ng emosyon pagdating sa'yo. Yeah. The Hierophant. Iba sa inyo, pwedeng meron katrabaho yung iba sa inyo, may nagkakagusto sa inyo, ha? Andun yung crush. Oo, may nagkaka-crush sa inyo, your signs. Pagdating dyan sa workplace. Okay? So, there's a delay pagdating sa isang offer. Galing sa isang malayo. Galing sa malayo. Okay. Ten of Swords in reversed. The Four of Swords. There's someone na gusto kang makausap. Okay? Pwedeng hindi na nga kayo talaga nagkakaroon ng connection ng taong ito. Maybe your mother, parang ganyan. Or someone na talaga nagmamatigas. Okay? Or maybe this is someone's POV, someone's point of view. Like, parang wala nang pag-asang makausap ka. Like that. Okay? You're guarded, I think. Or maybe, yun ang tingin nila nga sa'yo. Okay? Yeah. May naghihintay talaga na makausap mo sila, makausap ka nila. Younger person. Baka check ninyo yung mga kapatid nyo, anak nyo, okay? Tingnan nyo, kumukumustahin nyo. Baka mayroong gusto silang i-open up. Okay? Kasi pwedeng nahihiya lang. Okay. So, the Four of Cups and the Six of Cups in reverse. Yeah. There's a water sign na parang nai-ignore or feeling nila ini-ignore mo sila. Maybe they're the one ignoring you because they're bitter. Okay? Nandyan yung hindi maganda or sabihin nating may sama or hinanakit to pagdating sa'yo. Okay? So, yeah, you have a past person who is still bitter or hindi pa rin nakaka-move on sa'yo or sabihin nating may galit pa rin. Okay? So, there. Okay, next is fire signs. Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Okay. So, what's with you? Fire signs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Okay. Fire signs. Ten of Cups in reversed. The Page of Cups again in reversed. There's like a delay or isang malungkot na balita. Okay. Coming from a doctor. Okay? Coming from a doctor. That specific, hindi yun para sa lahat. Okay? So, yeah. Anyway. Meron ditong energy na someone na malayo sa inyo, or sabihin nating kamag-anak, mga ganyan, malayo. Pwedeng nalulungkot sila dahil parang feeling nila hindi sila naaalala. Like that. The Six of Wands in reverse. Death in reverse. Okay. Don't chase after, no? Sa mga sabihin nating energy na parang hindi naman kayo pinapahalagahan. Okay? Enough with the chase. Enough with the cycles. Oras na para magkaroon ng pagbabago, mga fire signs. Yeah, see? The world. This is completion. This is changes. Enough with the repeats, no? Okay? So, kung ano man yan, enough na yan. Lalo na pagdating sa love. Okay, some of you may new person coming. Okay, may new person na paparating. So, enough na tayo doon sa mga pabalik-balik or mga cycle, no? Oo, if ever na merong ending naman na nangyari. Kasi something is sabihin natin nagpapalungkot pa rin up to now, no? Pagdating sa'yo. Okay, you need to release yourself from that burden. Okay, fire signs, again, Days of Cups. So, talagang lalabas siya. So, this is a new opportunity when it comes to love. Someone will make an offer. Okay? Yeah, see? The Queen of Cups. If gagayahin niya si Queen of Cups. Ano pong meron kay Queen of Cups? Parang awahan niyo na. Si Queen of Cups, this is someone na merong self-love. Okay? Siya yun. Okay. So, yeah. Here comes the Knight. Okay. So, tatanungin kita, fire signs. Bigyan mo ko ng tatlong tao na mahal mo. Okay? Bigyan mo ko ng tatlong tao na pinaka-importante at pinaka-mahal mo. 3. Okay? So, kung nakapagbigay ka ng 3 tao, maliban sa sarili mo, bakit hindi mo sinali yung sarili mo? Diba? Yun ang tanong ko sa'yo. Okay. So, next. Okay. So, water signs. Anong message for you? Water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Okay. Messages for water signs, please. The Star in reversed. The Queen of Pentacles in reversed. Medyo nakukulangan tayo pagdating sa pag-care o sa sarili, ha? Okay. Some of you need to take care pagdating sa health, no? O parang maging health wise, mga ganyan, health wise. Okay. Meron ditong like arguments with a mother or father figure. Okay? So, parang feeling is hindi na magkakaroon ng kapatawaran. The Hierophant in reversed. The Four of Cups. Pwedeng merong ma-ignore dito na offer. Regarding commitments, parang may takot kasi or hindi pa ready. Okay? Iba sa inyo ayaw Excuse me. Hindi ko alam kung sa inyo or sa tao ito, like, sa person nyo na parang ayaw ng magulang. Parang ganyan. So, nandyan yung pagdaramdam. Or pwedeng kasing may itinago na relasyon. Kaya nagdaramdam yung magulang. The Three of Pentacles in reversed. And the World. So, I think, pagdating sa kaperahan, no? Pagdating sa kaperahan, may chance na parang may mag-e-end pagdating sa mga hindi magandang issue. Okay? May etong tower na to, hindi naman palagi ito pangit, actually, no? Oo, sa mga nanonood dyan, no? Depende pa rin sa energy na ibinibigay. Okay? So, there's an ending coming pagdating dito sa sitwasyon, pagdating sa pera or pagdating sa workplace. Something may mag-e-end and pwedeng may magbubukas or something like changes na mangyayari. Okay? So, yeah. Yeah, see? The Judgment. Okay. Yung iba sa inyo, may opportunity na magkaroon ng pagtaas ng ranggo. Yun ang naririnig ko. Okay? Meron din ditong, yes, pwedeng yun nga, improvement in general. Okay? So, yun ang nakikita ko for you, water signs. Earth signs. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorns. Okay. Earth signs. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorns. Ano ang messages for you? Okay. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorns. The Knight of Swords. A fast communication coming in. The Justice in reversed. Someone wants respect. Okay, someone wants respect. Okay. There's a fire sign, an air sign who is coming, like, with a fast communication. Meron silang, dalang, I don't know kung ano to. Okay, pero ang nakikita ko dito is hindi rin naman ito seryosohan or what. If this is a connection or if this is someone or something regarding love, hindi naman ito it is like a sabihin nating parang short-term connection. Okay, there's a short-term connection coming. Okay, avoid nyo yung mga taong minamadali ka sa pagsagot. Okay? Because they're not respecting you kapag ganyan. Okay. The Knight of Cups. The Hermit. There's someone na pwedeng lalapitan ka, pero nandiyan yung sabihin nating pagtatanong pagdating sa kanya kung anong dahilan. Because some of them, yung emosyon nila is nakatago. Someone, kasi sabihin ko sa'yo, Earth sign, meron ditong person nakatago talaga yung emosyon for you. Okay? So, ikaw ito para i-decode yun. It's up to you, no? Kung i-decode mo ba yun or what. Yeah, they have, emotions, no? Strong emotions for you. Yeah, the King of Cups in reverse though. So, yun nga, sabi ko, pwedeng nakatago. Pero yes, nandun yung love nila for you. Okay? So, some of you pwedeng same gender kayo. Yeah, same gender. Some of you needs to study. Okay? Kasi meron ako dito parang kapag parang isinasawalang bahala mo yung dapat mong gawin, pwedeng hindi maging okay talaga. Lalo na exam, test, mga ganyan. Okay? Kung gusto nyo maging successful yon, gawin nyo kung anong dapat nyo gawin. Hindi pwede yung okay, at tsaka na to. Okay? May narinig ako, study abroad. I don't know. Okay. The Page of Pentacles in reverse. There's an earth sign like you. Air, water. Ang parang hindi consistent, no? Pagdating sa communication nila. There's a delay. Okay. Yeah, the King of Wands. Meron ditong parang utos ng utos. Gusto nila masusunod. Pero wala silang ginagawa. Wala silang ginagawa, kundi mag-uutos lang ng mag-uutos. Kung sino man ito. Okay? They're not being fair. They're not fair. Oo, pagdating sa'yo. They are using their positions. Okay? Some of them, pwede silang team leader. Mga ganyan. Okay? Pwedeng ginagawa nila to dahil pwedeng may habol ka. Something like promotion or what. Okay? Yeah, the Chariot. So, oops. Yeah, the Emperor in reverse. Hindi sila nagiging tama or wala sila sa wala akong makitang magandang rason bakit nila ginagawa yun. Porque gusto mo lang ng something like magkaroon ng improvement pagdating sa workplace if ever. Or in general, meron ditong parang ginagrab yung opportunity dahil may kailangan ka sa kanila. So, there. Yun ang ating reading for you all signs. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.